best free software for writing a book. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to tell you the best free software for writing a book. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. LibreOffice Writer is a powerful and completely free word processing software that's part of the LibreOffice suite. It is widely used by authors, students, and professionals alike for its rich features and ease of use. LibreOffice Writer supports a wide range of document formats, including docx, art, and PDF. It offers tools like styles and formatting, automatic table of contents generation, templates, and support for macros. It also includes grammar and spell checking, change tracking, and mail merge features, which are helpful for book writing. Pros: completely free and open source. Works offline. Compatible with Microsoft Word formats. Good customization and formatting tools. Cons: interface looks a bit outdated compared to modern alternatives. Can lag slightly with very large documents. Limited real-time collaboration. Pricing: LibreOffice Writer is completely free to download and use with no subscriptions or hidden costs. So that's all for this video.